CM Panchal, exercise number 62. Friends, I have great pleasure in extending to you a cordial welcome to this 32nd annual general meeting of your company. The report of the board of directors, the balance sheet and profit and loss account of your company have been in your hands for some time past, and with your permission I shall take them as read. Para. I am sure you must have been happy to see the improvements in the performance of your company during the year 1974-75. The year under review has turned out to be another good year for your company, with the sales amounting to 14 crores. The net profits before tax earned by your company show in increase. You will observe from director's report in your hands that with the good performance that the company has made during the year review, your board of directors have recommended the dividend at 12% per annum. On approval by you at this meeting, the said dividend shall be paid in a single installment. Para. The results achieved by your company can be considered exceptionally good when viewed in the context of difficult economic conditions through which industry in our country has had to pass. In view of power shortage, all states in the country had to impose some restrictions on the use of electricity, ranging from marginal to very heavy cut. Although in Gujarat we were not as much hit by power shortage as some states in the country, because of power shortage in various parts of the country, supply of other parts which your company gets from other states was disturbed frequently, which had adverse effect on the full utilization of our capacity. These uncertainties and forces beyond our control were too high that all areas of company's operations, like getting off over